About the housemates thing, I'm friends with who I'm friends with.
Bam.
I don't like to force friendships.
Yes.
I think I'm the only one that is not in the group chat.
What?
Yeah, and once they approached me, I told them, no, I don't want to be.
Exactly.
I don't see the need pretending or being in a space with people. I don't like Wala.
Yes.
So if I know that this energy is not good for me, let me just stay. You get?
Yes.
So